Welcome to Options Tender. We are here in South Florida on vacation, so sounds like I'm whispering right now. Everyone is sleeping, and I don't have a different domain like the little man cave I have down in the basement at our house. So we're going to dive right into it. The videos can be short, and for the rest of the week, we're going to also have some pretty short videos, maybe a little bit more in the evening than in the morning. But let's get started here on ES of the monthly. We are working on wave 5. Everything's looking good. Momentum is up to the upside. We have on the weekly, bullish, bullish, bullish. We are working on wave 5 as well, peaking above this. Actually, I'm going to take this off so you can see that. We're pushing the upside still above last week's range. And on the daily, trend is our friend. Still pushing on that upside. We had a reversal candle here, and so far we're working on an inside day, but momentum is still up to the upside, tipping to the right. We look like we're going to roll over here, not making a higher high on the MACD for the daily, and that makes a difference because on the 65-minute chart, here's what's happening. What I think this is you know how I said this yesterday was a truncated wave 5? Well, what I believe is this is wave 4 of that 5. So we may make a marginal lift here to the possibly to the expected move. I know that's a big change of what's happening, but we have this divergence, and I believe we're just going to make another slight divergence here before headed to the downside. So if you have any day trades you want to do today, now is the time to get it out, because then I believe we'll descend on our wave 2 to possibly start off tomorrow or next week. Okay, so what's happening? Why do I believe that? It's going to be very similar to what we had in this instance here. This was a big wave 4 to end that 5, or to end the 4 here. And then what it do? It made a very, very small wave 5. It's like an ABC, but an ABC, I think some people may call it expanded flat or whatnot, but this is a ABC to the upside, and marginally made a another divergent high right here. Couldn't get above that, couldn't make a higher high, and then what I do after that? It crashed. Mini crash there. So yeah, I do believe that's what we're doing here. We're not pushing up hard. We don't have any real momentum. We may be able to eke our way for a brand new all-time high and much lower. The other alternative case is that this was the end of wave 5, and that this is a 1, 2, a big 2, and then 3, 4, 5 somehow down here. I don't know how far, but we'll have to watch price action. So if it doesn't make a new high, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we'll do down here. Okay, which means that sets us up for ABC correction and another 5 wave down here. So we'll keep on this. We'll do an update tonight after the bell. I did have one trade request that I want to go through, and that's KIQ. I appreciate you putting that request in Instagram, sir. This looks really good, especially for today. It looks like it's ready to move on. It's done with its ABC correction. We have a wave 1, 2. So I believe we're going to start moving to the upside there. But let's move on the daily just to check it out. We are working on the beginning of what I believe is a wave 3. So this might be the large wave 1, 2, 3. I can't get a count in here, but you'll see what I'm talking about on the weekly. The weekly, we made our wave 1, and then came down to wave 2. We can even check the retracement, see where we got from there. Yeah. yeah, came past the 786, but moving on up there. So that doesn't help us that much. But one, two, and then working on a large wave three. So this may be a wave one to start. I don't think it's over yet, but just be aware that it may roll over pretty soon to make another smaller wave two to move to the upside. Okay. And maybe we'll just take a look at a couple real quick of some of our favorites. How about fubo? Fubo in the after hour. If the after hours is look like it's primed for an up move here. That's a 1-2. So maybe we'll start lift off here. Let's watch this downtrend line. Let's put some lines in here. So let's watch this area here. It came and touched the bottom. Yeah, I think fubo, this might be a great one today. We're waiting for this one to really break out here. We're getting closer and closer to the apex. I'm going to be on watch for this one, maybe a day trade for this today. Okay, so that's all. I want to keep this short. So thanks for joining us here at Option Center. We'll talk to you after the bell.